Love, light, and life. This is Nuru Foodism, aka Nuru the Guru. Day 5 of the Nuru 7-Day Detox Challenge. This is the Detox Smoothie that I'm about to make on the day 5, the first one. After I make this one, later on today, I will make a second one. And that has to be before 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I'm not consuming anything. Mango, 4 key limes, 2 to 3 inches of raw ginger root, tablespoon of sea moss by Nuru Botanicals, 4 to 6 tablespoons of hemp seed protein by Nuru Botanicals, spring water. Let's get it popping.